Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Yoongi's Me, Myself and Special 8 photo-folio. I know it's been out since March and we're currently in October, but still, I finally got it and I want to unbox it on camera. So let's start. I've already removed this annoying plastic foil and also took out the inclusions. I couldn't find the stamps, but I'm sure they're in there somewhere. And I've also got new light that I'm currently testing, so you can tell me if it's good or not. Okay, so let's start. I really love this concept because there's a puppy and I love everything with puppies. I haven't seen any unboxings of this photo-folio, if you can believe me. I've just seen the photo cards. And my favorite one is the one with a sweater, the colorful sweater, and I hope I got it because this is the only copy I've got and I'm not buying anymore. His ginger hair is just spectacular. Oh, I love this one. I love this camping concept. It just saw him, just he and his dog. I mean, not his dog, but you know, the concept. I'm not making any sense today, I'm sorry. You know, if I had to, away from life, yes, if I had to go on a camping trip, it would be like that, just me and an animal to keep me company, so I can just be with myself for a minute. Oh, here, the dog. Okay, this is the most precious photo, and here we have the stamps. I am sure you've already seen this. I didn't, so I'm just looking very carefully. This one. Just precious. Oh, cute. I love the shoes. I don't know if they match the purple hoodie, but anyway, they're cute. Oh. I'm happy we got something with his orange hair. Way. I'm not sure what this title really means. Wholly or Wholly. Maybe he explained it in one of the behind the scenes, but I didn't watch any of that on purpose. Oh, beautiful mountains. I miss mountains. I love hiking. Yeah, this photo book makes me want to go on a hike, but it's getting too cold. I'm scared of going like to the mountains in winter. This sweater is everything. I want a sweater like that. Oh. The dog. he should have a photo card with a dog, but that's just me. Why are you sad? No. It's just a general sentiment for this photo book. Oh. I think the light is good, right? We'll see on a more gloomy day. Yeah, I loved it. Now the inclusions. Let's see the poster. No, it's like that. Okay, so you can hang it like that and you don't have to like open it all the way because it's a sweater here. Okay. The stamps we've seen. Now the postcard. Where is the dog in the inclusions? I want to see the dog. And now Yoongi's item. So cool. Wait, how? Like that, okay. Way away from life. Oh, there are chapters. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I get it. And this is the first one, right? I think. Or not? I'm lost. Okay. Okay. I think we've seen this already. I love it. And now the photo cards. This one I think is the not random one. Yes, it is. He looks like he's going fishing with Jin. And the random one. It is the sweater one. My favorite. Okay, I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was very short and chaotic a little, but I hope you liked it. And I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, maybe in November. We'll see, because I've been filming more videos lately than ever. So I don't want to upload them all like in a week or so. And there's no rush with this one. So please tell me how's the light situation, if it's bothersome or something. And I think that's all. Thank you again. Happy collecting. Bye.